Throughout the world, International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 21st June every year. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind and body. Yoga contributes directly in the improvement of mental focus and concentration among the students. Yoga is the medicine that has the power to cure any disease of the universe. Here, we show some beneficial yoga postures for students. Practice of this asana improves the flexibility of spine and corrects posture, improves the process of digestion, and it also helps in reducing lower back pain. The yoga posture Vrikshasana improves stability on the legs and balance, strengthens the entire leg, improves concentration. Bhujangasana stretches muscle in the shoulders, chest and abdominals. It improves circulation of blood and oxygen. Practice of this asana helps in reducing stress and anxiety. This yoga posture enhances the functioning of the respiratory system. It rejuvenates the nerves. It improves the stretchability of back muscles. By performing this asana, it stretches the muscles in the chest, neck, spine, and hips. It prevents asthma, relieves stress and anxiety. The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body and mind.